Yamaha Europe featuring two new models off-road class Young and Pro. Yamaha YZ250F and YZ85 2019, model year 2019, are presented to complete the lineup 65cc to 450cc. Both new models Yamaha YZ250F and YZ85 2019, presented with new features. YZ250F, our stroke, for example, has been equipped with electric starter and chassis new design. The 250cc 4-stroke engine model has been equipped with wireless connectivity system and instant tune-up on the tracks via smartphone. Yamaha calls it the Yamaha Power Tuner smartphone app. While the model YZ85, the off-road model of the boy, is now 2cc 85cc fluid-cooled engine, has been equipped with torque boosting. Yamaha applying Yamaha Power Valve System technology to double its engine torque. The second entry-level model has also been equipped with a new suspension, for higher performance and ease of control for younger crossers. With the presents, Yamaha YZ250F and YZ85 2019, then the off-road Yamaha model more complete. Starting from the model for the younger YZ65 crossers, plus the new YZ85 and YZ125 enlarge the career opportunity as a novice off-roader. For today's adult class, Yamaha has been equipped with two-step YZ250 and the new YZ250F to YZ450F.